Again, this is 2.3, video 3, problems 26 and 27. These are also supply and demand problems, and asking us to find the equilibrium price and quantity. Again, we set them equal to each other. I wrote these incorrectly. These should say equal P. I'm going to start by factoring A2. Positive 10 and negative 4. So that's nonsense. Q negative 10, nonsense. Q 4. So because this was negative 10, that's nonsense. And because 2 cannot equal 0, that's nonsense. So we throw both of those solutions out. The quantity is 4. Let's plug it back in. Doesn't matter which equation, to find the price. 16, 32, 20, 52, 62. I believe that is 68. So the equilibrium quantity and price is 4 and 68. Yes, that is correct. Now to do 27. Now 27 is a little bit different because we have this on the other side of the equal sign. So let's move it over here. P squared plus 4Q minus 1600 would be minus 1600 equals 0. So now we can set this equal to this. No, sir, we cannot. The reason that I said we couldn't do that is because if we put this equal to this, we have P and Q both in our equation. So what we're going to have to do is solve for either Q or P. I'm going to solve for Q. No, I'm going to solve for P squared. So P squared equals, so P squared equals negative 4Q minus 1600. And if I took the square root of that and took the square root of that, let's solve this one first. If I bring P squared over to here, it's going to be positive. So I have P squared equals to 300 plus 2Q. Technically, because P squared and P squared are the same thing, we can put these together. See how we have one variable? I have done something wrong. I'm going to pause the video and come back.
What?
I have found my mistake. Here, I subtracted the 4Q, but it should not have been a negative 16. It should have been a minus 1600. So I have reworked it here. Subtracted the 4Q. Move the P squared over here. Move the 2Q over here. Nope, same side. So they stayed the same. So that, if you can't see it, is 300 plus 2Q equals P squared. Because my P squareds were the same variables, because of the transitive property, I can set there what they equal to each other. I solved that equation and I came up with Q equal to 216 and 2/3, or 6 repeating. I put that in for my price, and I find my price to be 27.08. So the equilibrium is when the quantity is 216 and 2/3, and the price is 27.08. And that is the end of section 2.3. Thank you.